what you're looking at is the heavy rain moving its way onshore, and we'll continue to see that as we go throughout our day today. And a lot of this heavy rain, you kind of see the circulation. So here is the low. You see the circulation around. A lot of this is going to be pushing its way across while we get some moving down. So again, you look at that camera on I-4, it's not quite there just yet, but it will be there. But you see it's not quite as heavy as what's circulating through. And again, this is a flash flood until 1 o'clock, flash flood warning there. So across our area, things are looking fantastic. Take a look outside. We got mid 80s and sunshine and clouds, and of course some triple-digit heat. So there is the low. Again, it's moving its way onshore, expecting it to cross pretty much straight to the west as we go throughout the day today, and it should be in the Gulf as we go throughout your afternoon and evening, and that's when we're expected to see the potential for that thing to come a little bit better organized. Nothing's going to happen while it's over land. Widespread storms expected today, about the same timing as yesterday, about 4 to 10, lightning, flooding, gusting winds, and again, just pretty much everything you saw yesterday did have that line, that strong line move its way across, and with that low crossing, again, looks like right around Orlando, maybe south of Brooksville. To the north is where we're expecting the heaviest rain, but we will get some pushing its way through. And then tomorrow, just some scattered showers and storms. And again, taking the potential down, still seeing the potential for some heavy rain through Thursday. And then look what happens as we go into the weekend, looking a little bit better. So Futurecast, again, showing some of that heaviest rain up to the north. But here comes, once that low passes, you're going to get that shift of the wind up out of the south. It's going to bring that tropical moisture in, and there again is your evening commute. Unfortunately, it's going to be another wet one, just like what we had yesterday. But instead of that big line dropping down, this is all coming up from the south. Now we got the low that's offshore. So for Wednesday, you see the flow coming out of the southeast, and that's where it's going to continue to stream some tropical moisture. Even for the next couple of days, going to be a little bit more scattered about for your Wednesday, so not as widespread. And then same thing for your Thursday. Till we get late in the day, we're going to heat things up again, and then we'll get the potential for some heavy rain moving its way through. And again, should be relatively isolated with that flooding threat as we go throughout the next couple of days. So your rainfall forecast shows we do have that potential. There is your slight. This is about a 15%, anywhere within 20 miles of any area in this yellow that we could see that flash flooding. Again, much like what we had yesterday. Over the next couple days, it does go down, expecting again about another 2 to 4 inches of rain widespread. And a lot of that, again, is going to be for the day today. So we do have that flood watch in effect. This goes till 8 p.m. As you can see, it's almost all of our counties, because this is going to be the better chance for that heavy rain throughout the day today. And also, we do have flood warnings on some rivers there. That one up near Fishhawks, that's the Alafia near Lithia. We also have the Little Manatee near Waimama. You see that one on 75. And then down to the south, Horse Creek near Arcadia. We're expecting these to go over their banks as we go throughout really Wednesday into Thursday. That's why you see these going Friday. There's Thursday 10:24, and this one all the way Saturday till 9:30, because it's going to take a little while for that water to recede. Because again, for Wednesday and Thursday, still expecting some heavy rain across the area. Also keeping our eye on this, the potential for tropical development. Again, this is not going to affect us. It's not going to change our forecast, because this is going to be as it's moving away from us. So you see moving over land, and then it passes right south of the Big Bend, and all the forecast models right there have it going right into New Orleans. And you can see that here. There is your low moving offshore. It's going to be offshore tonight, expecting the potential for a tropical depression or even a tropical storm. Depends on how long it stays out. But here's Thursday, 5 p.m., expecting it to push its way onshore. So Dexter would be the next name on the list. So for today, we got 90 degrees, hazy, hot again, triple-digit heat. Storms coming after 4 o'clock, lasting till about 10. Your marine forecast looking good till about then. Look at the beach out there, seas at a foot, light chop in the bay. It's not going to be the case for tomorrow. Tomorrow, you're looking at choppy water. It's going to be breezy tomorrow. And then as we go into the weekend, we take the rain chances down, we take the temperatures back up, triple-digit heat through the weekend.